Hey guys, today we're chasing a train, like the second time or first time, and we went to the Hickson Baseball Park in Tennessee, and we only saw the end of it. And we're chasing it. We're about 5 minutes ahead, and we were waiting at the train tracks like 5 minutes in front of it. And I'll record the video, and I'll record when it gets here. So. See ya. Okay guys, we're starting to hear its honks. We're about to see it in about a couple of minutes. I'll unpause the video when it gets here. Peace.
Right now we're about to see it. Norfolk Southern. And yeah, right now we're about to see a Norfolk Southern.
What's up?
This is Driver and Track.
Yeah.
Right now we're over here about to see a Norfolk Southern from.
I know how to get him out of the way. Quiet, Carter. Get out of the video. Get out of the recording. Sorry, my brother's in the recording.
Mine too. Right now.
So we're at the train line, and we're about to catch it. I'll unpause it when it gets here. Peace. Okay, train is in sight. Okay, Carter, get off. Get away. Train's coming. Train is coming. Train is coming. Train is in sight. Get. No farther in front of the truck. Train is in sight. Train is in sight. We're about 3 minutes in front of the train. We are backing up, so like if there's anything sticking out, it won't hit us. There it is. We see it. Hey Dad, is it okay if I go near the crossing?
No, it's crossing.
Hold on.
Crossing while we're going down.
Oh, here it goes. Tyler, get back here. Here it is. It's coming. It's coming.
So God, I'll see y'all later. Cool.
Bye guys.